How to add removed friends back on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add removed friends back on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is you can just tap on the search icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside this section, then here on the top you can just tap on the search bar, and there you can just type the username of the person that you removed. And here, once you find the profile, then you can just tap on add to send a friend request. And if you don't remember the username, then you can just go to your profile, and there you can just scroll down, and there you can just tap on add friends. And with that, you can just go to your contact section, and there you can find them and re-add them easily. And with that, you can also ask the person to send the snap code or profile link. And after that, you can simply scan the snap code or open the link, and there you can just tap on add friend. And that's it. That's how you can add removed friends on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get up to date for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.